Paragraph number 7, page number 24. Now I think we should keep that in front of us as our ideal, and you will find that in the course of time, Hindus would cease to be Hindus and Muslims would cease to be Muslims. Not in the religious sense, because that is the personal faith of each individual, but in the political sense as citizens of state. By this sentence, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah means when he says that Hindus would cease to be Hindus and Muslims would cease to be Muslims. It means that it is not on the basis of caste, creed, breed, but it is on the basis of citizenship. The man is going to be judged. Hindu will be no more Hindu, but a citizen of Pakistan. Muslim will be no more Muslim, but a Pakistani. There will be no difference between them. They would live as one nation in dominance of Pakistan, in state of Pakistan. There would be rule of law. Rule of law would be prevailing, in which there would be no exception. Rule would be followed for every citizen, and in that rule there would not be any exception. Last paragraph, which is the 8th paragraph. Well, gentlemen, I do not wish to take up any more of your time, and thank you again for the honor you have done to me. I shall always be guided by the principles of justice and fair play, without any, as is put in the political language, prejudice or ill will. In other words, partially or favoritism. My guiding principle will be justice and complete impartiality. Impartiality means just and unbiased. And I'm sure that with your support and cooperation, I can look forward to Pakistan becoming one of the greatest nations of the world. So in the concluding paragraph, or in the end, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah thanked all the dignitaries who had honored him to speak in front of Constituent Assembly. He promised to apply justice and fairness, as he clearly says that he is going to be very just and fair in his dealings. He would never practice favoritism. He would only practice justice and fairness. With the support and cooperation of the people, he said that he could look forward to make Pakistan one of the greatest nations of the world. So this is what Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said in his speech that he delivered on 11th August 1947. So we are going to cap it all. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's speech is an evidence that he genuinely believes in an ideal Islamic state that cares and caters for everyone, irrespective of their color, breed, creed, religion, caste, sect, or even language. So as Pakistani, we proclaim to love our country and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, but we must not leave it to words, but put it to practice. And surely love is incomplete without faithfulness. So we need to focus on this point. Being Pakistani, being a proud Pakistani, we should follow the principles of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.